Have you ever wondered how Buddhist mantras can improve your well-being and release stress? The power of these ancient sounds can be profound. Take a journey with us as we explore 6 Buddhist mantras and their benefits. First, we have Om Bikanze Bikanze Maha Bikanze Raja Samungate Soha. This mantra is revered for its healing and protective powers. Next is Tayata Om Bikanze Bikanze Maha Bikanze Raja Samudgate Soha, associated with the medicine Buddha. It is said to bring both physical and mental healing. Thirdly, we have Om Mani Padme Hum, associated with the Bodhisattva of compassion. This mantra carries the promise of purification and transformation. Fourth on our list is Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, linked with the Lotus Sutra. This mantra focuses on inner transformation and enlightenment. Fifth is Om Tare Tutere Ture Soha, associated with the goddess Tara. This mantra is believed to offer protection and liberation from suffering. Lastly, we have Om Ahum Vajra Guru Padma Siddhi Hum, associated with Guru Rinpoche. This mantra aids in spiritual growth and transformation. It's important to remember that mantra meditation is a personal journey. The effectiveness of each mantra may vary from person to person. Now, how can you start practicing mantra meditation? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose a mantra. Select a word, phrase, or sound that resonates with you, something that you can easily repeat and focus on. Second, find a quiet place. Choose a serene spot where you can sit comfortably without any distractions. Third, sit comfortably. Maintain a straight posture and close your eyes. Fourth, breathe deeply. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Fifth, repeat the mantra. Start repeating your mantra slowly and steadily. Focus on the sound and vibration of the mantra. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the mantra. Finally, continue for 5 to 20 minutes. Continue this practice for as long as you feel comfortable. When you're ready to finish, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. In summary, Buddhist mantras are a powerful tool for improving well-being and releasing stress. Whether you're drawn to Om Mani Padme Hum for purification and transformation, or Om Ahum Vajra Guru Padma Siddhi Hum for spiritual growth, these mantras can offer a path toward tranquility and clarity. Happy meditating!